Skimle is the AI native workspace for qualitative data, built for academic researchers, consultants, market researchers, and all other curious professionals. In this 6-minute overview, I will show you how Skimle helps you dig deeper into your data. Let's start by creating a new project. You can import any type of qualitative data. You can import basic text files like interview notes, documents, or reports. You can import audio or video files which Skimle transcribes automatically. Or you can import tabular data like open text responses, call logs, or other data in structured tables. Skimle also has a tool for conducting AI-assisted interviews at scale. You define the main questions you want to ask each participant, and Skimle automatically creates follow-up questions based on the responses. Participants can answer on computer or mobile using text or voice whenever they want to answer. You can freely mix and match types of data and also add data later to your workspace. Skimle also has a built-in anonymization tool for safely redacting sensitive data. Once you have your data loaded, it's time to analyze. Skimle automatically identifies insights in each document, and our AI workflow creates the categories and subcategories to structure them. Skimle supports 3 types of analysis. First, automatic thematic analysis, which finds and structures themes fully automatically. This is what most of our users prefer to start with, as it gives a great overview of the entire dataset. Second, predefined categories, where you bring your own framework to structure the data. Simply define the categories you are interested in, and Skimle will automatically create subcategories and group all insights relevant under them. Third is agentic research, which starts from a research question to structure the data around it. Skimle will critically examine the evidence and counter-evidence in your data to answer the research question with full transparency back to the source data. Now, analysis can take a bit of time because Skimle systematically works through each paragraph line by line, identifying insights and assigning them to a category. Once the analysis is done, you can start exploring. Category view lets you explore categories and subcategories with a summary of insights and an easy way to browse them by theme and see how prevalent each one is. Full two-way transparency and user control are core design principles of Skimle. Two-way transparency means you can always trace a quote back to its source. Just click the diamond. In the document view, you can see which passage was coded to which category. User control means you're always in charge. You can delete insights or manually assign text to a category. You can edit the categories freely. You can create new ones manually or with AI's help, merge or remove categories with insights smartly reassigned. And you can edit the name and summary of any category. If you want help from an eager virtual research assistant, you can always turn to Skimle's agentic chat. Ask the AI to edit categories, tag insights, find specific quotes, or just give you some tips. The agent is working on the same processed dataset as you are, so it won't get lost in dozens of documents or try to hallucinate facts or improvise its own frameworks. Skimle also supports mixed methods research with a powerful visualization tool. Dozens of chart types help you spot patterns in the data. You can run comparisons across sets of documents, say how Finns and Americans differ, or track how certain themes become more prevalent over time. You can copy any chart as a picture or dataset. Comparisons get even more interesting when you define metadata variables. Skimle automatically detects variables like dates from your files, and if you have imported any metadata fields in your table data. You can also manually add, remove, or edit metadata using the metadata editor. Skimle can even infer metadata, for example, whether a person has pets, directly from the transcripts. Give it a try. Once you've explored and refined your data in Skimle, it's time to export. Skimle supports PowerPoint presentations, Word reports, Markdown files, and more. You can also export your full project in the open source RefiQDA format to continue working in NVivo, MaxQDA, or any other legacy qualitative analysis software. Skimle's interface makes it easy to explore your dataset. But if you'd rather work with your own agentic tools like Claude Cowork, you can grant them access using MCP. They get access to the same refined dataset and tools that Skimle has. Collaborating with other humans is just as simple. You can share the project with anyone by entering their email address. But be warned, they might not work as tirelessly as the agents. Now that's the 6-minute overview. We've only touched the surface. So dive in and discover what an AI native workspace for qualitative data can do for you.